let's go over a few Heavenly Heat Black Friday details that I missed. I'm not sure if these are recent changes or something that just wasn't on the list to begin with. Um, Typically, so there's some confusion in the Facebook group. Usually, companies don't allow you to stack our influencer code or the group buy discount code or anything like that with traditional sale pricing like a Black Friday or something similar. In this case, Heavenly Heat has the Black Friday sale pricing or whatever standard pricing you see right now. If you're looking at this in November, obviously this will be the best discount of the year that you can get. It's not going to get any cheaper. But they have the base Black Friday discount prices on the website. Then they have free shipping. Then they let you stack coupon code Justice for an additional group member discount. And on top of that, this is the part that I missed. They're also offering installation for 50% off. So if you stack all those things together, depending on the model, obviously smaller models aren't as much of a savings as larger models because I think it's a percentage basis. But it's well over $900 to $1,200 on every single model that's on the website. And then if you're a person that wants to have somebody help you with the install or take that off your plate or wants a big sauna and not have to hire a handyman or something like that, this is probably really, really, really helpful for you. And rather than paying full price, you can get 50% off of that for the Black Friday deal. If you use coupon code Justice, all these things will stack. So at checkout, just enter that coupon code. If you have questions, there's a ton of people. We also have a ton of videos. Folks are asking, should I buy this brand or should I buy a Heavenly Heat? Should I buy this size or should I get an Eco? Or we see your eco review videos. If you haven't seen them, I've got a bunch of videos on YouTube where we unbox it. I show you the build quality. I show you all the other stuff. And it's hard to compete with the size and the performance of this little guy that will fit anywhere and work on any single outlet that you have that'll run a vacuum cleaner without electrical upgrade. And if you stack all these things together, I mean, you're getting the performance, you're getting heat therapy in your home that's just a well-rounded package that'll fit anywhere, that's going to work for years to come, that has great build quality, and the preheat time, it's just quick. So a lot of people, haven't seen the other videos. So if you're unsure about which brand to get, I'd highly encourage you to watch some of the unboxing videos so that you can see stuff like me standing next to it. How big is it really when I'm inside? It's obviously not this big. So we film videos in different size saunas to give you a contrast and a comparison so that you can kind of see. And those videos are really helpful for people that are kind of confused, don't know what the right thing is, but sort of under pressure because they want to buy something while the big sales are happening and yada, yada, yada. I'm in the same boat. You guys are helping me with gym equipment to build out the basement gym downstairs. And so, I don't know a lot about those things because I haven't used them. So let us, help you post your pictures of your install spaces like you guys have been doing in the Facebook group. It's one of the only ways that I can kind of see your space, that the other 35,000 people that are in there can sort of chime in and say, hey, have you thought about this? Or why don't you spin the sauna sideways or put it in this corner? Or, hey, you've got an outlet over there that'll work. You don't have to do an electrical upgrade. Or, hey, how far is the power panel? You can do this and you get a larger sauna. You could fit infrared and traditional if you wanted to do a combo unit. That doesn't work. They have outdoor models. So usually there's a Heavenly Heat model for everyone. We've got the red light therapy panels coming. So I think you guys will be really pleased with those. Off camera, I have 3 or 4 of them hanging for a vertical stall that we've been doing red light therapy sessions in. Works fantastic. Panels are great quality. They've got the right wavelengths. They've got the right lenses in them. It's good stuff. Another great product offering from Heavenly Heat. So if you have questions, let me know in the comments or post in the Facebook group, better yet. And congrats on your new sauna. I see some people that are posting pictures of their spaces. They look great, better than mine in a lot of cases. So love to see that. We'll see you in the next one.